Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Mailchimp. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically sync form submissions directly into your Mailchimp audience, saving you hours of manual data entry and ensuring your email lists stay updated in real time. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard where you can access all your email marketing tools. Now look over to the left menu bar and locate the option labeled Integrations. Click on it to open up the Integrations library. This is where Mailchimp houses all the third-party apps and services you can connect with to enhance your workflow and automate your processes. In the Integrations section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Jotform into this search bar to filter the available integrations. Once you hit Enter, Jotform should appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on Jotform to open its dedicated integration page. You'll be directed to the overview page for the Jotform integration. Take a moment here to scroll down and read through all the product features and pricing details. Understanding what this integration offers and any associated costs will help you make an informed decision before connecting the two platforms. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident about proceeding, click the Connect button on the Jotform integration page. This initiates the connection process between Mailchimp and Jotform. A new browser window will pop up. This window provides additional details about how the integration works and what it will be used for. Read through this information carefully as it outlines the permissions Mailchimp will have and how data will flow between the two platforms. After reviewing the details, you'll need to log in with your Jotform account credentials. This step authenticates the connection and grants Mailchimp the necessary access to sync your form data. Once you've successfully logged in and decided to move forward, click on the Add to Form button located at the top right part of your screen. This finalizes the integration setup. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with Mailchimp, allowing your form submissions to flow seamlessly into your email lists. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.